Saw you there by the counter, looking flash. Thought I'd walk up to you. I was out with my buddies, talking trash with nothing to do. I got up from the table, adrenaline, started walking to you. If ever I would be able to feel your skin and be close to you, I could levitate, figure it, bring back the dead. But now I'm just in my head. I'll fight to get through to you, and I think you would want me to. I'll try to survive, just acting cool. Make you swoon, yeah, break all the rules, and I'll say goodbye to being shy. I will stand up a warrior, and I'll win your heart, create the art of a bigger love, bigger love. Man, I'm feeling so out there, about to crack as I'm coming up closer to you. I can't find nothing but doubt there in my head, but I'll talk to you. Looking back on it someday, maybe I'll just laugh with you at the memory. But now it's fall on Monday, I'm about to die, 'cause you're blinding me. Hey, I could wait, I could go back to my place, but maybe you like me so. I'll fight to get through to you, and I think you would want me to. I'll try to survive, just acting cool. Make you swoon, yeah, break all the rules, and I'll say goodbye to being shy. I will stand up a warrior, and I'll win your heart, create the art of a bigger love, bigger love. Get through to you, and I think you would want me to. I'll try to survive, just acting cool. Make you swoon, yeah, break all the rules, and I'll say goodbye to being shy. I will stand up a warrior, and I'll win your heart, create the art of a bigger love, bigger love, yeah, of a bigger love, bigger love, of a bigger love, a bigger love, of a bigger love, bigger love, of a bigger love.
I don't know what else that I could do. Tried it every way you asked me to. Seems like there's no way to make it through. Seems like there's no road for me to you.
I was reading magazines all night. Yeah, some people always talk their way through fights, but I grew up with bruises on these hands. I need something else to understand. All the love I can make, girl. Everything I had you can take, girl. But I'll never be more than I was
places, I've seen them all with open eyes. Seen islands, open spaces, Serengeti sun slowly rise. All these memories, I hold them near me when I sail the Aegean Sea. But there's one place for me. Take me to the place where I come from, the only place where I really belong. Take me 'cause this voyage seems so long. Back to you, ooh. Back to you, ooh. Where streets are filled with people I used to race back home from school. We kids, we never back down. We learn by breaking every rule. Ooh. All these memories. Take me to the place where I come from, the only place that I really belong. Oh, sometimes this road can be so long. Back to you, ooh. Sun is rising, I can see the edge of the horizon, way out there. One day, maybe, I will get to see it rise with you. Take me to the place where I come from, the only place that I really belong. Oh, sometimes this road can be so long. Back to you, ooh. Back to you, ooh.
Do you remember when we couldn't get enough of it all? We kept it going for so long, so long. I don't know where I would be if we let it go. 'Cause every time we try to break it down and build again, yeah, every time we try to make up for something lost, you know, we're never letting go. This time we can reach the sky on a prayer. We go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, 'cause it's something we can deny. But with a love like this, we'll never fall. All of a sudden you'll be standing there with someone new, 'cause it's been going so wrong for so long. Let's keep this dream alive, the art of letting go. 'Cause every time we try to make a stand and start again, yeah, every time we try to make up and make amends, you know, when push comes to shove, this time we can reach the sky on a prayer. We go higher than high. Yeah, wide You know we're never letting go. This time we can reach the sky. On a prayer we go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, 'cause it's something we can deny. Oh, this time we can reach the sky. On a prayer we go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, 'cause it's something we can deny. But with a love like this, we'll never fall. 'Cause we're wide awake. 'Cause with a love like this, we'll never fall.
Saw you there by the counter, looking flash. Thought I'd walk up to you. I was out with my buddies, talking trash with nothing to do. I got up from the table, adrenaline, started walking to you. If ever I would be able to feel your skin and be close to you, I could levitate, figure it, bring back the dead. But now I'm just in my head. I'll fight to get through to you, and I think you would want me to. I'll try to survive, just acting cool. Make you swoon, yeah, break all the rules, and I'll say goodbye to being shy. I will stand up a warrior, and I'll win your heart, create the art of a bigger love, bigger love. Man, I'm feeling so out there, about to crack as I'm coming up closer to you. I can't find nothing but doubt there in my head, but I'll talk to you. Looking back on it someday, maybe I'll just laugh with you at the memory. But now it's fall on Monday, I'm about to die, 'cause you're blinding me. Hey, I could wait, I could go back to my place, but maybe you like me so. I'll fight to get through to you, and I think you would want me to. I'll try to survive, just acting cool. Make you swoon, yeah, break all the rules, and I'll say goodbye to being shy. I will stand up a warrior, and I'll win your heart, create the art of a bigger love, bigger love. I fight to get through to you, and I think you would want me to. I'll try to survive, just acting cool. Make you swoon, yeah, break all the rules, and I'll say goodbye to being shy. I will stand up a warrior, and I'll win your heart, create the art of a bigger love, bigger love. Yeah, of a bigger love, bigger love. Of a bigger love, bigger love. Of a bigger love, bigger love. Of a bigger
there's no way to make it through.